Building information modeling is an intelligent 3D model-based process that gives architecture, engineering, and construction professionals the insight and tools to more efficiently plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure. Precisely, building information modeling is about everyone understanding a building through the use of a digital model. The digital model holds all the information that construction professionals should need to design, construct, and maintain that building. The informations that we are feeding inside the digital model, it grows with an increasing level of detail so that it reflects the building as it is built, then it is ultimately used. So the application of BIM process or BIM technology is vast in eco sector. Construction management, facility management, prefabrication, all these areas are getting benefited by the use of BIM. That brings us to the topic 2. Optimization of precast construction planning using BIM. We know that precast concrete construction, it is gaining much popularity now because it has a standardized workflow. It works on the principle of modularization. How we can standardize a particular building that actually triggers how efficiently we can complete that building. Time is the essence, right? We have to save the time. So prefabricators, they are also using BIM widely in their design for issuance of fabrication drawings, and also by usage of BIM, we can collaborate between all the discipline that is involved in the project. When the prefabricators, they are able to understand the modular sections, the sequence of erection, the construction of the building or infrastructure, it will be very easy on the site. Furthermore, prefabricators monitor the elements from design to erection to ensure the burst of information flow between the departments. Decisions can be taken on the panel knowing its status. The key of the whole precast concrete process is delivering the information needed to the production, ensuring that no further changes will be happening to the elements that has been sent to the production in order not to change the mold or rework on the same element. All these decisions prior to the precasting is done in the design stage itself. So the main objective of this project will be identifying the challenges, critical success factors for the modularization of the building. We will be modularizing the building based on the precast sections. We'll be understanding how BIM technology can enable the digital design to fabrication workflows. We'll be creating a digital model and associated construction documentation sets of a precast modular building in BIM platform. And we'll be also creating a study on which the ways to optimize the construction of precast buildings using BIM softwares. Here you can see on the screen, it's a typical building which is modelized using the precast concrete sections. On the left top, it is an arranged building. On the left bottom, you will be able to see an exploded diagram of the same building. Each of the panels is given a unique ID number. The construction documentation sets will be detailing all the information about each of the elements so that the mold can be prepared and also the material volume can be taken for the material procurement also. BIM models can be developed at early stages during the bidding for precast concrete projects to estimate the quantities, visualize the building, early planning for elements number that will be casted to ensure that it is included into a precast concrete offer to the owner. Once the project is in hand, the precast concrete fabricator can use the same model to add the final design and details into the same model and use the same model for the coordination between different disciplines. The same model can be used for further estimation of the designated concrete quantities. If any changes happen during the design stage, the information is directly known, and that change may be reflected in the design stage itself. Okay. Design teams, they can also use the model to map the barcode for each element inside the model where the shop drawing is created. They can also plan for the stacking of these created precast sections in the site depending upon the sequence of erection. They can also plan for the location of the pick and carry or the crane, as you can see on the screen, so that we can increase the time efficiency by creating a sequence. A brief summary about the industry relevance of the topic. Application of BIM software for the time optimization of the planning of precast elements, since it benefits precast construction planning, especially in production planning. It saves the time in the planning process, it prevents human errors, and automation of production and tracking of project. And also optimization of the workflow, it saves time and it will be reducing the wastage, and also the human errors that are prone to happen are reduced. The methodology for completing this project will be, first we will be creating a concept, and also we will be creating a detailed model. We will be creating precast concrete sections in using a BIM authoring tool. We will be modularizing the created model based on the precast concrete sections. We will be fixing a sequence, and we will be creating unique mark values for each of that concrete sections, and we'll be creating documentation sets. Construction documentation being an important part in any project is covered over there in this project. And after that, we'll be dividing the whole process of the project into different activities. We'll be preparing a project management data, and we'll be creating a pre-construction visualization by linking the created model and also the schedule data. Since in a BIM review software, we will be able to analyze the sequence with which we'll be completing the project. We can go for a crane position analysis to get an idea where should I locate my cranes to easily erect the sections for completing the building over there inside. And also we'll be able to get an idea how the casted precast concrete sections should be stacked in the site so that it will be saving the time. BIM authoring tools like Autodesk Revit will be used for the model development. We'll be using the same for the documentation preparations. Several add-ins are there developed by software specialists which can aid in this project. We'll be using Primavera to create the project management data, and also we'll be using Autodesk Navisworks to connect the project management data and also the model prepared. We'll be using Autodesk Navisworks to review the whole project and to create our pre-construction visualization. BIM Labs Engineering Services and Private Limited and BIM Studio, project division of BIM Labs, is providing the opportunity to engineering aspirants to collaborate and complete their academic projects as explained in the session. Students enrolling for the program will be trained in the BIM authoring tools or softwares to complete the project. Internship in BIM Studio will also be provided to the students along with certifications. For more information and queries, please do refer to the contact details and we will be of your service. Thank you.